Hi there, this is our TOS mill, very well known brand, very well respected. This one's came out of a government department, a training school, and it's in really good condition. Got some good features, the feeds and the rapids and all the axes. It's a very heavy duty mill, plenty of rigidity there. It's in good condition and ticks over nicely. Oh, the only thing that I've noticed with it is the coolant pump itself is noisy. I don't have any coolant fluid in it, so that might need a set of bearings by the sound of it. It's got the right angle head on it. The light there, which I've noticed isn't working. The paint job's really poor. You've got your arbor supports there. Your dual controls here, so this sets where your feeds go to, whether it's the table or the knee, etc., and that controls either feeds or rapids. And it's got a dual set over on this side, so you can control it from this side as well. It's got the limit stops on all the three axes, and then your gear change here, change your direction here, and main power on. So I'll turn the main power on there. It's got a wee kilowatt gauge there too. Now I'll start that coolant pump. That's that coolant pump running there, and you can hear that coolant pump itself is very noisy. Now that's the wee oil pump that goes on them. I'll take you through the manual side of it. So that's the table moving back and forward. Nice to move, and very little clearance there. That's the knee handle, and that's nice to move, and very little clearance in that as well. I'll take that off before it gets me. And the cross slide, and so that's nice to move as well, and very little movement in that. To show you the feeds I have to have it running, but I can show you the rapids. So that's on the cross in and out at the moment, so showing you those rapids there. Now I'll change that. Oh, it's got to be in neutral. I'll change that to the up and down. So that's that knee going down. Now up. And the table. And these are the rapids. So those are the rapids. Alright, I'll start that head. So now I can show you the feeds. So at the moment the feeds are going to the table, it's coming towards me. And I'll rapid it. And now neutral, and the feed's going back that way. And rapid, neutral, and now I'll put that to the knee. So now the knee is going down, and then rapid, neutral, feeding the knee up, and rapid, neutral, and one other one, which is the cross. So now it's feeding in, and rapid, neutral, feeding out towards you, and rapid, neutral. So those are the feeds and rapids. They work really well. You can change your feed speeds here. That works really well. So I'll take you through the gears now. So I'll start you from the start there, and that's 45. So there that is. I'm just going to rapid that table in. So that's 45, 63, 90. I'll take you to the next range, which we were in originally. 125, 180 you would have heard, so this is the next one, 250, next range, 355, 500, 710, and final range 1000, 1400. Last one, which is 2000. So those are the gear ranges. It changes nicely, it sounds good. And I'll turn that power off, that oil pump. And that's pretty much it. They're well-known mills, they go forever, they're very, very serviceable. This particular model is very heavy and heavy duty, and it's got those good features of the feeds and rapids in each axis, and also your dual controls, etc. Yeah, it's all set to go.